Mike Mancini with ppcvideotraining.com. Thanks so much for joining us today. Today what we're going to be doing is continuing on our AdWords optimization course, and we will be week number 1, day number 5, and we're talking about landing pages. Stay tuned. So what exactly do we mean when we're talking about landing pages? Landing pages are the first place that people land once they click one of your ads. Now, a lot of people, especially who are new to PPC or Google AdWords, will try to drive traffic right to the front page of the website because they're like, well, you know what? We have a ton of different services and we want to be able to showcase all of them. The problem with that is you have literally a few seconds to get that person's attention. If they have to look around for you at all, there's a very good chance that potential buyer is going to click the back button and move on to the next search result. In this instance, I'm looking for a DeWalt drill. A very specific type of drill, so I type that into Google search engine. Second one down, you can see it's Amazon. DeWalt cordless drills, free 2-day shipping with Prime. Click on that. Takes me right to a page with a number of different DeWalt drills because I wasn't really specific. There are impact drills, there are brushless drills, there's a number of different options, but it takes me to a page specifically with DeWalt drills. Now, if Amazon would have taken me to the front page of the website, I guarantee you they would have lost me. I might sit here and maybe I don't type anything into the search box, so I'm looking. Wait a minute, what's going on? Why can't I find anything about drills? Departments, all right, how many different departments are there here? You get the idea. When somebody types something in, you want to take them to the exact page with the product or service that they are looking for. The longer they have to search for that on your website, they're gone. They will just go right down to the next selection. Now, let's say that somebody's looking for pay-per-click management, which is obviously a service that we do. If somebody is looking for pay-per-click management, we would run an ad to a page like this. The first thing that they see is PPC management. That is by design. We want them to know that they are immediately in the right place. And then underneath it, need a new PPC management company, need new AdWords account or a campaign setup, need an audit, optimization, schedule a call today. Here's our call to action. Below that is a little bit about us. Below that, a little bit more about our service, some facts. Underneath that, we have some testimonials, and then more calls to action throughout the page, as you can see with these green buttons. But the majority of the people who land on this page will never scroll down. That is why we want a couple of call to actions. Number 1, we want our phone number right here where everyone can see it without having to scroll. Number 2, another call to action, how to get in touch with us today. This is absolutely imperative that this is right on the page where they can see it, where they don't have to scroll. Now, if you're marketing a specific product or service, I would always encourage you to take that visitor right to that page. Here's a look at the front page of our website, Mancini Digital. This is our agency website. As you can see, if I was taking somebody here, this is more about just getting their attention. They can scroll down, they can see some social proof. They see here PPC marketing, management, and training, but we have a number of different services. We do pay-per-click setup, we do management, we do training, and we also do consulting. So if I'm marketing our PPC management service, I don't want to take somebody to the home page where they have to look for it. I want to take them to this landing page that talks about PPC management specifically. By doing this, you will find that your conversions will skyrocket immediately, especially if you've been driving traffic to the front page of your website where it's not very targeted. All right, hope that helps. We'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Or if you know someone this video could help, please take a quick second and share it with them. See you next time.